In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a PST file into Outlook 2019. If you need to bring old emails, contacts, or calendar items into your current Outlook account, importing a PST file is a simple and reliable way to do it. A PST file, also known as an Outlook data file, is commonly used to store Outlook information, so this process is especially helpful when you're moving to a new computer, restoring backed up data, or accessing archived mailbox content. To get started, open Outlook 2019 on your computer and wait for it to fully load. Once Outlook is open, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. This will take you into the Outlook settings and account management area, where import and export tools are located. From there, click File if needed to make sure you're in the correct menu, and then look for Open and Export. Select that option to continue. In the Open and Export section, click Import Export. This opens the Import and Export wizard, which will guide you through the rest of the process step by step. In the wizard, choose the option that lets you import a file from another program or file. Once that option is selected, click Next. On the following screen, choose Outlook Data File, which is the option used for PST files. Then click Next again. Now you'll be able to browse to the PST file you want to import. Click Browse, locate the file on your computer, and select it. Take a moment here to make sure you're choosing the correct PST file, especially if you have more than one saved in different folders or backup locations. After selecting the file, click Next. From this point, simply follow the prompts shown on your screen to complete the import. Outlook may ask you where you want the imported items to go, and depending on the file size, the import may take a few moments to finish. Larger PST files can take longer, so it's a good idea to let the process complete without closing Outlook. Once the import is done, you should be able to see the imported folders and items inside Outlook. If you don't see them right away, give Outlook a moment to refresh and check the folder list carefully. That's all it takes to import a PST file into Outlook 2019. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to move your Outlook data over smoothly and without confusion.